In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to get your hair long and juicy and flowing just from sleeping. That's right, you can grow your hair in your sleep. So let's get into it. This is where I sleep. So let me introduce you to my sleeping routine. So there's actually a few things around here that I use to protect my hair at night. Number one is this satin pillowcase. This I actually got to match my bedspread. So it's so cute. This is from Dusk and it has the frilly edges, and then I was able to find the frilly edged satin pillowcases on Amazon, so they just like match perfectly and I really love that. So let me just walk you through everything. The pillowcase is here. So I would never just sleep directly on the cotton pillowcase because the cotton is going to be really drying on my hair. It's going to naturally want to soak the moisture out of my hair. It's also going to cause a lot of friction, which could lead to split ends and breakage on my hair, and also tangles as well. It's not very smooth. It doesn't let my hair glide over it, so it can cause the tangles. So that's why I don't like to sleep directly onto cotton, and I'd rather sleep on satin. However, I still don't sleep directly on this pillowcase because I have a lot of products in my hair. I have oils and deep conditioners and things, and if I were to sleep directly on this satin pillowcase, then those oils would transfer onto the pillow and that would transfer onto my face, and it could cause acne. I know it does cause acne in me, especially because I'm acne prone, so I don't want to be causing skin problems for myself. I don't sleep with my hair directly on there. I sleep with my hair in these. I use a scarf and a bonnet. So let me just explain. This is my satin bonnet. This is from my website, CURLFULLY.com. I will leave it linked in the description box down below. This is from the Headshie subsidiary, so this one actually has the Headshie branding on it, and these are so good. It's big enough to fit all of your hair in it, and it comes with these long ribbons which you can use to make it nice and tight and snug around your head so it doesn't fall off. And anyone that I've ever spoken to about this bonnet will tell you this does not fall off in the night when you're sleeping, which is so rare with a bonnet. Like, there's so many bonnets that you can buy like on Amazon and stuff, and they just fall off in the middle of the night, which makes them pointless, and it means that your hair isn't protected unless you're using a satin pillowcase, but then your skin isn't protected from your hair, so it's just a whole mess. So you just need to find a bonnet that doesn't fall off. On a normal day, I would just be wearing this bonnet. I would just shove all of my hair into this, kind of like this. And I would tie this up, and you see all of my hair is sort of just quite loose in there, and it's kind of just doing its own thing. My hair is protected all night, and that's exactly what we want. And when it comes to a hair growth routine, you could just end it there because my hair is going to be protected while I sleep. It's not going to be getting breakage from my pillow, it's not going to be getting tangles, it's not going to be getting dried out. It's going to be so snug and secure in there all night, and that is perfect for a hair growth sleeping routine. However, on my channel we like to be a little bit extra, so I'm going to give you another little tip. So on the days where I like for my hair to be in pristine condition when I wake up, so we're talking, you know, day 1 wash routine, day 2, your hair looks great and you want it to look exactly the same the next day, here's an extra step. So take a satin hair scarf. This one I did also get on my website, but these are not currently available until the summer. And then I fold it in half so that you have a triangle, and then you want to flip all of your hair over like this, and you want to lay this on top of your hair like this, and then take these side pieces, tie it at the back, you see. And now with the rest of your hair, you just want to gently guide it into the scarf, you see, into this snug little hair scarf bonnet that you've created, and then you tie this excess into a little knot, and just make sure that none of your hair is tangled in that. Make sure all of your hair is just snugly in there, and then you have this. So this is how I'll be. Usually I will do this when I get home, and I will probably eat my dinner like this, and I'll just be doing my skincare like this, and I'll just wind down for the evening like this, because it's just nice and breathable and all of my hair is away. If you're somebody who gets overstimulated by your hair, then this is just perfect because you can just put it all away. However, when I go to sleep, this is just not very secure, and this is going to fall off in the nighttime, which is not what you want. So that's where this comes back in, because this does not fall off in the nighttime. This might be overkill, but this is honestly the best way that I have found to sleep with my hair, to just make sure that it stays absolutely perfect. So when it actually comes to nighttime, I'm going to put this back on, and I'm going to put that over the hair scarf. And I'm going to tie this now. Okay, so then you tie that into a little bow. So now my hair is nice and snug inside the scarf, and nothing is going to fall off because I have the bonnet on top. So now I can lay down. When I go to sleep at night, my skin is going to be protected from wrinkles because I have the satin pillowcase. My skin is also going to be protected from acne because all of my hair is off my face, it's off my pillow. Obviously, once all of my makeup is off, my hair is going to be protected from breakage and being dried out and everything from the pillow because it's inside the scarf. It's going to be protected from getting messed up and scuffed up and frizzed up and getting kinks in it and whatnot because it's tucked up really tight inside the scarf, and the scarf is not going to fall off because I have the bonnet on. I know it's a lot of steps and maybe they're not all necessary, but I promise you this is the best way to sleep with your hair at night. It's great for your skin and it's great for your hair. So let me just take out my makeup off and light a candle, have a smoothie. My smoothie has magnesium in it. It's the Free Soul Smoothies. It has magnesium and it's really sending me to sleep. So it's the morning. I had a lovely sleep and I've gone and gotten ready. I'm actually wearing lashes for like the first time in ages, but anyway, that's not important. It's time to take down my hair. My bonnet stayed on all night. These bonnets always stay on all night. For a little while I was wearing just an elastic silk on bonnet because I was like, let me just chuck this on because it's easier. But that does not stay on. It literally falls off after like 5 minutes. So I've gone straight back to my trusty bonnets from my website CURLFULLY.com, and now it's time to take it down. And then once I take that bonnet off, because it can feel quite stuffy in there when you have the scarf and the bonnet on, and when I get up in the morning I like to take the bonnet off and just sort of do my breakfast and my tea and everything just with this one on, because I just feel like a lot more air gets in and it's a bit refreshing, but my hair's still protected. But yeah, when I'm actually ready to go out, I'll take this one off as well. So let's do that. If you need any more proof that your bonnet is not only going to save your hair, it's also going to save your time, because look, I literally don't need to do anything to my hair right now. It looks exactly the same as when I went to bed. That's amazing. It's literally ready to go. I don't have to do anything to it, and that is just going to save your hair so much. Not only did we protect our hair last night, but also it means I'm kind of protecting my hair this morning. I don't have to manipulate it. I don't have to apply any heat to it. I don't have to do anything to it except love it and embrace it. And I'm going to head out into the day and I'm going to love my curly hair. And that's really the key to growing your hair long. Just let it be. Try not to do anything horrible to it. Just be nice to it and it will grow. Your hair's like a plant in that way. Isn't that crazy? Anyway, I'm about to head out, and funnily enough, it's actually a really sunny day when I'm filming this video. Hopefully it's a sunny day when I post it, because these sunny days are quite rare in January. Anyway, I really hope that this video helps. Remember that everything that I have spoken about is linked in the description box down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to keep seeing more hair care tips, more life style and everything. Have a look here for the rest of the hair growth series videos, and here for anything else. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.